teacher. Where is rooster? Good. Where is cow? Good. Where is duck? Duck. Quack, quack. Good. Where is pig? Good. Where is goat? Yes. Where is sheep? Sheep. Ma, ma. There we go. Where is hen? Hen. Yes. Where is horse? Neigh. Yes, very good. Okay, now can you tell teacher what animal is this? It's a dog, say. Good. What animal is this? What does a pig say? Good. What animal is this? What does a duck say? Good. What animal is this? And what does a cat say? Good. What animal is this? Good. What animal is this? Good. What animal is this? You know hen? Roost? What does a rooster say? Yes. What animal is this? Cow. Good. What does a cow say? Very good. What animal is this? It's a goat. It's a goat. Okay. What animal is this? Good. And what animal? Good. Next one. And last one. What animal is this? High five. Good job. It's a rabbit.